This video guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Beans AI generator image website just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial for you guys step by step, so you can generate an amazing AI image with this website. It's really great. So let's get started. So for people who are new to this website, what you need to do, just go to Google and search for Beans AI like this. Okay, search for this title over here and click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So they are really making an amazing art image, as you can see. So for example, what you need to do to generate your image, you just need to click over here on the search and you need to ask any question, any topic you want. So for example, I'm gonna ask him to make okay, I'm gonna just write dog with cat watching sunset in the age, for example. Okay, let's see. And you just need to click on create and this website will start creating your art image. Okay, and it will be done in few seconds, so you just need to wait. So this will really make an, as you can see, that's really great. Look at this picture guys, it's really insane. Look at this one, dog with cat watching the sunset. That's really great. This one is really amazing. Let's check this one and this one. So let me know in the comments guys, what's your opinion about this? Those pictures are really in high quality and great pictures. So if you want to download this picture, for example to your laptop or to your computer, click over here on download. Okay, and this picture will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching guys. That's how you can use Beans AI image generator, and see you in my next video.